Hi, this is Himadri Chaudhary, staying at Gariya. By profession, I am a hotelier. So, due to be a hotelier, I need to be presentable. But 6 months back, I was gaining so much weight. I was 122 on that time. And I was so much frustrated and depressed due to my overweight. So I didn't know what to do actually. On that time, through social media, I came to know about Dr. ATIN sir, Dr. ATIN Banerjee, and I came over here, and you know what? Within 5 months, I have lost 25 kgs. When I have came over here, I was at 122, and now I'm at 97, and almost I have reduced 8 inches from here and totally 24 inches from whole body. And the diet which sir has given me, it's too simple to follow. Okay, and sir has motivated me each and every day from the beginning of the fat loss journey. He's too good. And when I have came over here, I was having so much physical problem and physical complications, but now I don't have that much of physical problems and complications. And due to some treatments over here, there is no sagging in my body and my skin. So I'm so much thankful and grateful to sir. Sir, thanks a lot to be with me in this physical weight loss journey. And when I have came over here, I have asked sir that sir, you are telling me that you are going to reduce 25 kgs within 5 months from me, and you are telling that there is no negative side effect. Okay, so he told me that yeah, there will be side effect. You have to buy all of your clothes once again, and that's the right thing. I have brought lots of clothes for me, because the clothes which I used to wear when I was at 21, 22, but I couldn't wear those clothes now. So thank you so much sir for supporting me a lot, and I know it's a journey from fat to fit, and I need you in this journey in future also.
Call me now for weight loss and pain management. ATIN'S now near Kalighat Metro.